In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cell reference in Google Sheets, whether you're working collaboratively or simply making sure your calculations stay intact. Knowing how to lock cell references can be really handy. So let's dive right into it. First, you want to make sure you have a Google Sheet open. If you haven't already, go ahead and open the Google Sheets app on your browser and select the spreadsheet you'd like to work with. Once you've got your sheet open, locate the cells you wish to protect. In our example, we'll be looking at cells from F3 to H16. Highlight these cells by clicking and dragging over them. This will help you specify which data you're interested in protecting. Up next, navigate to the top menu of your Google Sheets and find the option labeled Data. Clicking on it will present you with a drop-down menu filled with different choices. Look through these options and select Protect Sheets and Ranges. This is the section where you'll be able to decide what to lock and specify permissions. Upon opening Protect Sheets and Ranges, you'll find yourself looking at a sidebar on the right side of your screen. What you need to do next is enter a meaningful description in the designated field. This description will help you remember why you've locked this range. You might want to type something like, "cannot be edited," to clearly indicate the level of access others have over this data. Now, looking at the bottom of this sidebar, you'll notice a button that says Set Permissions, which is your next stop. Clicking on Set Permissions allows you to refine access controls for the selected cells. You can choose between two main options. The first one is to show a warning when editing, useful for general reminders, while the second lets you restrict who can edit the range altogether, granting more security. Once you have made your selection and adjusted the permissions to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Done. This action saves your settings and effectively locks in the protections you've put in place for the selected cells. From this point on, anyone else accessing the sheet will be subject to the restrictions you set up, providing peace of mind for the data you want to safeguard. And there you have it. You've successfully locked cell references in your Google Sheets. This skill ensures your data remains intact and unedited unless explicitly allowed. Practice it across different sheets to get a better hang of it. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.